Hello, in this lesson, I want you to recognize and apply properties of parallelograms. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral where both sets of opposite sides are parallel, kind of from the name implies. Now, if you know a shape is a parallelogram, there's some things that follow that we know because of that. We're either going to prove it, or it has been proved, or it might show up as part of your assignment. If you have a parallelogram, you know both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. We know both pairs of opposite angles are congruent. We know that the angles that are adjacent are supplementary. And if we know if it has one right angle, all the angles are right angles. We can do one of our proofs is done for us on the next page. Let's take a look at this proof. We know we're given a parallelogram. We want to prove that angle F is congruent to angle H and angle G is congruent to angle J. Well, since it's a parallelogram, what we're saying is we know both sets of opposite sides are parallel. I'm going to start with this pair of opposite sides. Well, since these two lines are parallel, what happens is we know that the same side interior angles, they're supplementary. So we know angle J and angle F are supplementary. And then I'm going to turn around and I'm going to use the other pair of opposite sides being parallel. Well, that means angle J and angle H are now supplementary. And we know angle H and angle G are going to be supplementary. Therefore, by the supplements theorem, we know if two angles are supplementary to the same angle, they're congruent. So then you have angle F is congruent to angle H.